I'm in St. John's, Michigan today. I'm at the 39th annual Uncle John's Cider Mill Car Show. And this one here, a little drag bug it looks like. This is a 1956 Beetle. Some pictures doing some wheel stands at the drag strip. You can see by the bugs on the windshield, they drive the heck out of this one. Yeah, that's definitely not stock. That's how he's pulling those wheels up. When it comes to older V-dubs of this vintage, I'm more of a purist. But you know what? This one's not mine. So I really can't say what someone can do with it. It's got the Wolfsburg crest, so you can see that without any glare.